And India Inc. also coming out in support of Anna Hazare. Hero Honda Chief Pawan Munjal and Bajaj Chief Rahul Bajaj have also spoken out, extending their support to Anna.
I think it's extremely important. We've talked of this for a while. First, we've said there is corruption in India, and in many ways, it almost seemed as if we accept it as a fact of life. But the amount and the number of scandals which have broken out in recent times clearly have made people sit up and take notice and say, this is enough. We need to fix this problem. And so I see in many ways that what we are seeing in this movement is in effect a sign of the same thing.
The Lokpal bill of the government, I think everybody agrees, is not adequate. It doesn't have enough teeth. The Lok Ayukt bill, which is there today functioning in 18 states, barring a little bit in Karnataka, what has it achieved? Hardly much. So it has to be given more teeth, etc., etc. But I do believe that it should not become an excuse, but within the constitution, within the democratic setup, there is an executive, there is a legislature, there is a Supreme Court and a judiciary. You can't say everything is gone and I will be the prosecutor, I will be the judge. They are not saying that. They said this is a draft. The General Lokpal bill is a draft. Let the joint committee decide. This thing can't be discussed in public while somebody is on fast unto death. And Anna Hazare, I don't know him personally, but everybody knows everybody. He is from my state, very near Pune where I live, from Ahmednagar, Pune. And if somebody is saying, and I don't think government is saying that, but even indirectly, he's being instigated by BJP or somebody else, that's nonsense. I have much more faith in Anna Hazare than in anybody in the government today. So I'm all for Anna Hazare, but that's because all of us, including publicly at least everybody in government, is saying we are all sick of corruption.
Corporate India Inc. also joining the fight against corruption, lending a voice to Anna Hazare.